Tired of waiting weeks for insights? Let's talk about how neural networks can get you answers in minutes. And I mean that. This isn't some far-off tech. It's your advantage, and it's ready right now. So, what is a neural network? Think of it as a smart pattern finder that just learns from your data. It's actually pretty simple. You give it data, it finds the patterns, and then it makes predictions. The payoff, better forecasts, so no more stockouts, and you get those key insights in minutes, not weeks. This grows your business by personalizing at scale, which boosts conversion and it frees up your team. In retail, for example, it can predict demand and recommend the perfect product to every customer. Or in operations, imagine spotting equipment failures before they happen. Think of the downtime you'd save. And for support, you can instantly resolve common questions with AI that customers actually like using. With Julisha, we make this simple. You can automate tasks and get insights just by asking questions. And we make it totally safe to start. We use a 30-day pilot to prove the value on one KPI. So it gets you thinking, right? What's the very first workflow that you would automate? Want a plan for your business? Just comment BrandWise below and we'll DM you a link.